ProAstra, the go-to smart NFC platform for complete control of business assets and service locations. Do you really know what's been checked? And when? For many facilities teams, the answer is not quite. Spreadsheets, missed inspections, no proof of attendance, prolonged fault resolution. And when things go wrong, accountability disappears. Now imagine every check verified, every fault reported instantly, and every contractor's performance tracked automatically. ProAstra makes it easy. Tap an NFC tag and the system logs attendance, reports faults, and tracks asset history in real time. It's fast to learn, simple to set up, and it works alongside your existing CAFM system. Across sectors, teams are using ProAstra to catch missed checks, hold contractors accountable, identify missing assets, and uncover gaps they didn't know existed. From fire safety to daily maintenance, the system brings issues to light and puts teams back in control. Start small, scale smart. Whether you're tracking fire doors or managing multi-site assets, ProAstra fits around your needs. No disruption, no overcommitment, no barrier to entry. Book your demo today.